So next thing I want to do is remove this masking that we've had in place now for a few days and attach the neck. So we'll do that next. Put the neck here. As I said, now because this was an all finished neck, I haven't bothered masking this off or sanding this down, for instance, as it's just an all finish. It's really not going to affect things too much. As we do, neck heel in first, and push flat, and then from there, flip the guitar over. You'll see in your packaging you've got your neck plate and 4 large screws. So neck plate just simply goes on the back here like so.